Hello guys, welcome to our lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to use the app. You first log in, and then when you log in, on your right hand side you'll see more. More will give you everything that you need, like a screen with all the apps and functionalities that you can use. Like as you can see, the recommended ones, which shows you the pool and staking, and then there's common functions, and then there's gift and campaign. And then there's also trade where you can just do conversion and then also margin. So I'm not going to teach you everything because it's going to confuse you. So I'll just teach you what we need to use at this point until you understand. And then when you go under N, you'd see that there's also finance, and then you can go to help and support at the bottom where you can just go to support. When you click deposit, it's when someone wants to send you crypto, you want to send them your wallet. So you can just go there and then it will ask you which crypto do you want to receive. And then say I select a Bitcoin, which is BTC, it will open this window. And then remember there's network. So you need to ask the person what network they are using. If you don't know, rather use Bitcoin, do not use any other networks. And then you click share address. This is you sharing your address for someone to send you the cryptos. And then you can just share to your WhatsApp, or you can just also copy when you click that thing, and then you can just send them your wallet address, then they can send you crypto. So that's how you do it. And then the next thing, let's do it again so that you can see, say maybe it's Ethereum. You can just select the network that you want, Ethereum ERC20. If you don't know what network, so network is like which pipe to use. Are they using Texas? Are they using Gautrain? Are they using Shosholoza Mail? So you choose the one that you want to use. So you ask the person to tell you. So the next thing is when you want to buy crypto, you go to credit and debit card. And then now you're going to buy using your bank card. So you do need to make sure that your card does buy crypto, because mine with Standard Bank, we don't allow anymore. So you click there and then you just start typing the amount. Do note that the currency is in ZAR. I'll show you later how to change the currency from USD to ZAR. And then you just type the numbers. And then when you type the numbers, remember the minimum you can buy is 300 Rand. And then after you would click confirm. But when you're buying for the first time, it will ask you to add your card number, and then you add and then you click confirm. Okay, let's do it again. Let's just say maybe now we're buying Ethereum. We can do the same thing as well. So now we're buying Ethereum, and then you select Ethereum, and then you just start typing the numbers because your ZAR already is selected. Unless if you're not from South Africa, you select the currency that you use in your country, and then you click confirm. If you haven't added any card, you will click add card, and then that's how you buy. So you're buying using your credit or your debit card. There are other ways, which is P2p Trading, where you buy from people. It's like agents that sells crypto. So you need to select the one that is right, the one that is verified, and then you can just buy from that person. So there are different ways to pay this person. So for example, let's look at this first one. Say you want to buy USDT. You see at the top, you can select BTC, you can select BUSD. So you can just select the crypto that you want to buy. So you see Laser, he is verified. So rather use someone who's verified, because you know that they won't rob you. So what you do, you click buy, and then you select the amount, but you do need to note at the bottom what they are using to get their money. So you go to their terms, they'll tell you whether deposit the money into their bank account, instant cash, or maybe checkers, or maybe bank transfer. But do remember, until the money reflects on their account, they're not going to send you cryptos. So you do the same thing, you read their terms at the bottom, and then after you can buy. So this is cheaper than buying using a card, especially for those whose cards are not whose account banks are not allowing them. You can just use this method, which is P2P. So you can just select, which is good. So there's Ethereum, there's DAI, there's different people, agents that are selling. So the verified ones, you know that they won't rob you. So this is something that is safe, it's controlled by Binance. They don't release their money to them until you are happy that you got your cryptos. And then as soon as they release the cryptos, it will be in your wallet. And then now let's move on. Referral is when you want to to refer someone to use the Binance app. So Binance will pay you maybe like 10%, 5%. So you click referral, and then it will take you to another page where you will get your code. So if someone wants to sign up, and then you just give them that code, and then they will give you a certain percentage. Sometimes it's 15, sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 10%. So you can just make money as well with those referrals. So you can just copy that referral and then put it on your WhatsApp as well, and then you can just refer more people to buy. So you can also get it as a link. So whatever you do, click more. If you don't know anything, just go to more. That's where you list everything that you can see. So now let's look what else you can do. You can also earn. So you can also go to finance and apply for loans. And then let's move on to settings. You see that person at the top? This is how you change your currency. You go there and then you click. If you want to use a Binance Pro, you can just click that thing. It will take you to Binance Lite. And then if you want to go back to Binance Pro, you would click the same thing. That small person at the top, and then you will remove that, and then it will take you to Binance Pro. So there's two views that you can see, Binance Pro and Binance Lite. Lite, it's lighter. And now go to settings to change your currency. If your currency is in USD, usually it comes as USD, and then you can check. Can you see now I have ZAR selected? So do this first thing when you have when you download the app. And then if you are in another country, select the country that you are from. And as well, you can do security. And then if you want to support, maybe you want to talk to support, you can also go to that person and click chat. And then it'll take you to a chat service where you can ask Binance. And then now launch pads is when you want to see new cryptos that are being launched, and then you can buy them while they are early, or you can stake your current cryptos and make money and make new coins like this League of Kingdom. You can just maybe take your BNB, and then when you stake this BUSD, you can make you can earn those new coins. Like at the moment I'm earning MC. So when you go to auto trading, this one is when you want to auto save, like maybe monthly, it will save automatically for you. So when you go to overview at the top, it shows you everything that you have in Binance. So it's just a high level view. It will show you under spot you have this amount. Under when you go to spot, it shows you all the cryptos that you have and the money that you have. And then there's also funding, there's also margin, and then there's also fiat. So you see all your cryptos. So we are going to use spot most of the time. So there's also futures, which is something I'll cover later. And when you want to earn, maybe like save money and earn interest on that. So at the moment, can you see I'm saving my BNB and AXX, and I am earning interest. So maybe like you can choose, I want to save for 30 days. And then when you click at the bottom at that home thing, it will show you which ones are hot right now, which coins are hot, and which ones are the top gainers, which ones are growing fast, which ones are losing. Like Dogecoin now is growing, and then you can just see from there. So it can show you a 24-hour volume, or it can show you 1 day, it can show you a week. So you can select that as well. So this is where you see all the top gainers. And then let's go now more. Remember, more, we use it to go back and see. So if you are lost, just go to more, and then you will see more, and then you can go back to what you want to do. So I am now going to show you how to convert. So say you have Bitcoin, you want to convert to Ethereum, you can just click convert there. You click more, and then you click convert, and then you select the amount that you want. If you don't know what's BTC, you can just go to Google and type BTC to rent, and then you can just say maybe you want to convert 300 rand, and then it will give you the numbers in BTC. Then that's the number you put there. Or you can click max if you want to convert everything. All right, guys, that's it. This is what I think you should know for now. And then next time I'll show you in details what are different things like staking, earning, and all the other things. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are studying and understanding the work.